Hi everyone, hope you all watched my video on setting up an aquarium. Those who haven't watched, check out the link in the description. So setting up an aquarium is fun and interesting, but cleaning and maintenance is really tedious and it requires a lot of efforts and time. I'll be showing you a simple hack to clean your pebbles, rocks, gravel and fish tank in just 15 minutes. You will absolutely love this hack. Now let's see how I got that done. Take a wide-mouthed vessel or a plate and arrange the pebbles as shown. Wet the pebbles with little water and add hydrogen peroxide to fill the vessel. Hydrogen peroxide is available in any local medical shop. It will cost you some 50 rupees only. See to that the pebbles are drowned inside hydrogen peroxide for better results. You can see the effervescence coming out. Now let's repeat the same procedure for Zanzibar rock. You can do the same thing for lava rocks and substrates as well. You can see the effervescence coming out. Leave it undisturbed for 15 minutes. You will be astonished to find that the pebbles and rocks are brand new again. You might be worried that the small trace of hydrogen peroxide present on the pebbles and rocks might harm your fishes, but that's not the case. Hydrogen peroxide dissociates into harmless water and oxygen molecule. So the best solution to disinfect and clean any aquarium is using hydrogen peroxide. I have carried out the similar procedure for gravel, allowed it to sit for 15 minutes and washed it in clean water. So it's brand new again. Alright guys, if this tip has helped you and you learned something new from this video, give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. This is Flying Colors and I'll catch you up with another interesting video. Ta-da!